Yes, people, welcome to the channel. Scottish Mank here. Today I'm going to explain all about the csc 1500W kit. This is a 29-inch wheel. Obviously, if you buy it directly from CSC or you get it on eBay, you do not get the tyre or inner tube. It comes with just standard brake levers, what you would take off your own bike and just replace them with this. Like, your normal brakes would go in there, but this wire coming out, that's just in case the motor you need to stop, so that as soon as you pull that stops the motor. So all this is wired and it goes into the controller. Yeah, I'm going to make this very easy for you. The kit comes with, you've got the wheel over there, you get the wheel, you get the motor, you don't get the inner tube, you don't get the tyre. You get the throttle that's really easy to put on your bike. You just unscrew it with that Allen key and it slides on like that. Same with the brake. It's just has a bolt through there. So you know, if you rev like that and one of your brakes there. Here is your another brake. So they just slide right onto your bike like that, into your normal brake positions. And then your throttle would go on like this. So there's your one brake. There's your two brake. And there's your throttle. That revs, that brakes. As soon as you brake, using that cuts the engine out. Which all it is, if you don't know anything, I don't know anything about electrics, I ain't got a clue. But all it is one, this camera's not 4K, so sorry about the quality. 2, 3, 4, and 5 for your pedal assist. Let me just get your pedal assist there. Which this means you've got to take your pedal off and put that in. But to be honest, it doesn't work with a 52 volt battery, the pedal assist, and I don't even think it works with the 48 volt battery. So I think you can only use a pedal assist on about a 30, I think it's a 32 volt, 38 volt, or 30, I think it's a 36 volt. So to be honest, I don't even use that. I just use the pedals and the throttle. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you my beast. So keep watching. Right. So this is your controller. This is like your ECU of a car. This is your brain. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Jesus, that looks complicated. But one of these is a hall and one of them's a phase wire. Don't ask me why, I just know they're a hall. So straight off the motor, yellow, to the controller, yellow, green to green, blue to blue. That's your motor connected to your controller, to the brain. Then you get this plug here, and you plug that right in there, like that. Let me just get that in video for you. I'm not using no cuts or anything in this because I hate editing. So that's simple. That's your motor actually wired up. So you see all these. Let's get 1, 2. See the two blue ones? These two blue wires. If you plug these in, that's your limiter. That limits the power to 25%. So just keep that. If you're a parent and you want your kid to go slow, plug them in. But if you're just wild and want to go fast as hell, yeah, leave them out. So let's just go back to these original 7 wires. So one comes off the brake. 2 come off the brake, 1 for the left, 1 for the right. 1 comes off this screen. The SW700s are absolutely amazing. The things you can do on them. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm just gonna make a whole nother video just on the SW700 system. So yeah, subscribe, keep your eye out. And that's your thumb thing to control it. There you go. Can you see it? Up. That's up, down, and mode. So you can actually get into the system and mess about with all the settings. Right, let's get back to where I was. All these wires just simply connect like red. There's brown, I think it's black and yellow. It's got 2. If you can see that, black and yellow, it's got 2. So you just look on this, black, red, that's got 2. Does it fit? There you go, black and red. It's got 2 things. Looks like it fits. To put it in the right way. There you go. That's in. So that's 1 connect. Sorry about that. I keep missing you on the camera. So that's 1 connected. So there's another yellow and black here. So that must mean, because there's 2 of them, it's probably for the brake. So go back down. There's a red and black. You can see it's only got 2 pins. Like the yellow's got 2 pins. There's a little notch. I'm not sure if this camera will show you, but there's a little notch on this side and it just clips in. So that's done. There's this big one here. This has got like 5. And that's the female one coming off. I would say that's coming off the SW700 little screen. All it is a little, that's in, done. So let's see what else there is to put in. Looks like there's a green one here. Green and red one, can you see that? What pin's that? That's got 3 pins. So if you go back to the controller, and you see what's got 3 pins. Somebody's got 3 pins. There you go, that red, blue and black one here. You can see that, 3 pins, red, blue and black. And that just goes, look out for the notch. Done. And that's 2 blue ones stay. 2 blue ones are your limiter, so keep them open. One of them is for a light, which I don't use, so if you get a light, you might be able to wire it to this one. Or I might have actually missed one. No, it all looks wired up. So that will work 100%. So just get a good look at that so you can freeze it in case you're stuck. Because I know what it's like with YouTube videos. It's quite hard to see. You can freeze frame it. There you go. Hope that helps you. Oh, see, there's a yellow and black one there. What's that? That must be for a light. It's got to be for the light, because there's nothing coming out of there. That one there is for your power. As soon as you plug that in the battery, as soon as you plug that in the battery, this is ready to go. I'm going to show you what bike I had this on now, and I'm going to show you my new bike, the Beast. I've gone from a chicken chaser to a Beast. Right, one sec. This is the old chicken chaser, the Beast. To get the wheel in there, it was dead easy, but you just had to grind. Let me take this. Oh, it's just spinning. I'll get a metal file and just literally for about 20 seconds on each side. Yeah, and you'll get your wheel in. But the problem with using a 1500 watt motor, see your V brakes. You're just going through V brakes crazy. That's where the beast of the battery was. So yeah, the chicken chaser. Let me show you the Beast. This is the Beast. It's a 1500 watt 42 volt battery that gets to 58 volts. Top speed's about 45 mile an hour. See, at the chicken chaser, I had I think it's 48 mile an hour. So that's where your controller sits. You just have all your wires. You see what I mean? You pedal just that's just because it's a Carrera and it's got built-in brakes to the gears. Thought I'll have that there just in case it runs away, just as like a handbrake. That's your rev. And I've not even put a pedal assist on there because I just like pedaling like a normal bike, and just like using the rev. I just don't like pedal assist, and it's constantly using battery. So yeah, there you go. There's the Beast. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Leave some comments. Let us think what video you want to do next, and if you want me to put together the old chicken chaser just to show you step by step how it's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Nice one.